Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to install Eclipse IDE on Windows 10. So to install Eclipse IDE, first of all, we have to download the Eclipse file. For that, just open your favorite browser and search for Eclipse IDE and open the link from eclipse.org. Don't worry about the download link will be on the description box. So this is the official website from where we can download Eclipse IDE. To download, just click on this download button. And here you can see the latest version of Eclipse IDE is 2019-09. So to download, just simply click on this download 64-bit version. And here simply click on this download button. And here you can see it is downloading. If your download doesn't start, you can simply click on this link to start the download. So our download has been completed. Now let me open this file. So here we have our Eclipse installer. So let me minimize the browser. So this is our Eclipse installer. Before installing Eclipse IDE for Java development, we have to update this installer. For that, simply click on this hamburger menu and here you will find a update option. Simply click on update and here just simply accept the license agreement. And here you can see it is downloading the Eclipse installer file. Update were installed. Now let me click on OK. It will automatically restart your Eclipse installer. Here you can see Eclipse IDE is available for other programming language too. So if you want to develop C, C++, then you have to install this one. For JavaScript, web development, PHP, and for other tools also, you can use Eclipse. For now, we are just going to set up Eclipse IDE for Java development. So just click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And here it will automatically detect all the information. You have to simply click on this install button. And here we have to accept Eclipse Foundation Software User Agreement. So simply click on agree. And here you can see it is installing Eclipse IDE on Windows 10. It will take some time to install, so it will depend on your internet speed. Eclipse has been successfully installed on Windows 10. Now simply click on this launch button. And here you can see Eclipse IDE 2019-09. Here we have to select our workspace location. So if you want to change this location, you can simply click on this browse button and you can navigate to your location where you want to create your Eclipse workspace. For now, I'm just going to keep it default, then click on launch. Let me maximize the browser. So here we have our welcome screen. Welcome to Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So here you can check overview, tutorials and some samples. Now if you want to know what's new in Eclipse IDE 2019-09, then you can simply click on this watch new option. For now, let me close this window. Now let me show you how you can create your first Java project using Eclipse IDE. For that, simply click on File, then click on New and select Java Project. So let us name our project as Test. And here we have to select our Java JRE, that is Java JDK 13.0.1. Then click on Next. So this is our project hierarchy. Inside this source folder, all the source code will be saved. So let me click on Finish. And here you have to create your module info.java file. Let me name it as test. And here simply click on create. So this is our module.java file. Here we have our package explorer. Now let me show you how you can create your Java class file. Simply right click on source file. Then go to new. And here we have to create our package. So simply click on package and name your package. Say for example, demo. Then click on finish. So here we have our package file, that is demo. Now to create your Java file, simply right click on demo, then click on new, then simply click on class. And here name your class. Say for example, my class. Here simply click on public and here you have to select your method. So let me select public static void main, then click on finish. So here we have our package, that is demo, and here we have our class file, which is my class. Now let me show you how you can print hello world using Java. Simply write system.out.println and between this parentheses just put code and write your statement. Say for example, hello world. And after completing every statement, we have to put semicolon. To save, just click on file. Then click on save. So our file has been saved. Now to run the program, simply click on this run button And here on our console we have Hello World. Now if you want to learn Java, then we already have a playlist called Java Tutorial for Beginners. So the playlist link will be on the I button, or you will get the link on the description box. This way you can install Eclipse IDE on Windows 10. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.